What sense does it? What solution has it brought? People are dying. What are you doing? What are you making? Obi one eye there. And then who Ralph? And then who walk to hospital? And I walk him. Who ye the day? Say they are not attending to you.
I was just saying Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian attitude, the behavior. I'm a obia widow. Ralph attitude, Kunipa. The Ralph now one no. Directly and indirectly, Ralph Kunipa. Over here last year anymore. And a demonstration because for Ghana. I Stop Galamsey demonstration. Emma Ralph blockade the road leading to 37 military hospital. I was here, saying that will be the ambulance my at the National Hospital because of the delay. No, it about crow ewuye. Emma papa na neba ewu no. Obeke kanadwene. Archer Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian. After say Ralph eko see bruha ewo rich hospital. Me ma wontiri mu. No actually wadwene amame ewo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Mess what say dey mu. Obe like this video no and am subscribe button so na be click notification corner for the test updates. Na be chere wadwene dey amame ewo comment section. Mess what so baswa. No wa shi video mo for so enya bi ahwe. Until last year 2024 in fact Ghana witnessed thousands of demonstrations in the country. Hey, Stop Galamsey demonstration na enam ha. Occupy Julobi demonstration na enam ha. And then fix the country demonstration na enam ha. Demonstration be ya hey. Anti-LGBTQ demonstration na enam ha. You say Ghana who demonstrations upon demonstrations. Na nyase mukuma. Na demo kese na Stop Galamsey demonstration. Any Occupy Julobi demonstration. These two demonstrations, in fact, they were such violent demonstration. And no matter who civilians, any police for the CAD. And back here during the Stop Galamsey demonstration, Ralph and then the squad echo blockade the road leading to 37 military hospital.
So if you could see Ralph Smith, yeah, occupied Julobi guy now that was being arrested this year. Yeah, the guy that was being arrested this year, you could see NDC, they are representative no more. You pay for the point for that bar. See, what you say? It's crazy. Yes, it's crazy. Fima, the demonstration was awesome. The right of Fima Bahasia, and then they are coming blocking with the yes, which was in crazy. The one because of said they say they block the way, not blocking it. And then they say the car now also corner. Right now, see because the car number corner come here. The car, oh yeah, the car. Medical professionals. So medical professionals need to go about. So they say you need to obey the rules and regulations. So obey the rules and regulations.
Medical doctor go save life. He said you know they do too.
If you allow, for you know, neither you or a family member will be there.
So that is untrue, man. That is untrue. That is willful. Because almost say there's a medical doctor who are inside that. They want to allow the medical doctor to go. And they said no, they won't allow the medical doctor. Even the police car. Yeah. If you could see the police car, they are descending. They say the police car should get back. Even police car from almost Sakeno. Yeah, you can see they block the road and say no car passing by. Even a police car, they are sacking him. Yes. They are sacking the police. The police should go back. Yes. So protested clash with the policemen. How many police are now clashing? Right now, They are sacking the policemen. Say they need to move over here. Yes, protesters for no. I'm only police for no. Yes, I'm only police for now. About in terms of right now, they are sacking the policemen over here. And no, they will not allow them to go. Yes, they say they will not allow any policeman to pass here. Yes, people are here in their numbers to give their support. Right now, the place has been scattered. The place has been scattered. Right now, no, the youth are angry. The youth are angry over here.
If ambulance comes, we go make it pass. Yes. If somebody come where he be doctor, where he show we in car, where he show we say he gets emergency, we go make it pass. But apart from that, nobody they pass. And then security services, you know go pass. But emergency services, we go make it pass. So hold on. So the doctor, before a car just passed, when he came, he claimed he was a doctor, and now he had received an emergency call. We insisted he shows us his credentials, he showed us his card, and then he showed us his text message on the phone that he has received an emergency and he was called to duty. So we made him pass. But any other car no go pass. No way. So we say, if it be, no, hold on. Yes. If that people go to come to us and felt message to show that they have an emergency, we will let him pass. Because a life is a life. Yeah. But apart from that, no protocol. No protocol. But ambulance, we will make ambulance pass. If a doctor is going to duty, we will make him pass. If nurse will go duty, we will make she go. But apart from that, no protocol. No way. In that, God bless us. All right.
See, I know there. Yes, I know there. Right now, they are saying if you're a medical doctor and you show your reporter, they allow you pass. But if you didn't show anything, they won't allow you pass. Yes, that's what they are saying right now. So, Ghana for Togo say omume robo Togo grandson of Penyah hey since I am our boss you be go no after qualify Ghana you be go the big page hey Ghana so agufu adu anu eso nsuale enkasasa We should fight for Ghana. We should fight for Ghana. Come on, boy, our brother started this thing and he was being arrested. All in the name of what? He has exposed the National Cathedral, so-called National Cathedral, and he was arrested. Why? Because he has exposed the government. If you think you are doing the right thing, why do you afraid the government? If you think you are doing the right thing, why do you afraid the soldier? If you think you are doing the right thing, Why do you have to afraid police? If you think you are doing the right thing, you don't need to afraid of anybody. You're all human beings. You all deserve better. You all deserve good. You deserve good. I deserve good. So we are fighting for our rights. Freedom. 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 We are fighting for our freedom. And nobody can stop us. Nobody can stop us. We are not here for any political parties. We work and eat. We are fighting for Ghana. Party be anyone more man did you. And we are not here because of party.
Emma, at the end of the day, the road no a football park, a ho and a air ball.
Yeah, okay, 37 military hospital. Highway na da hono, aha, no na. Boys, abegusu ache so omo bobo hono ma enya grokra. They say protesters are no more reoccupy Jubilee House no. Omo na omo aye sade we ya enya grokra e wa ha say. They say highway no ma dia boso a adane football field aha omo ye. They say enya gro. They say omo dane ha football field omo bobo a enya grokra. They say highway no adane football field omo bobo enya grokra. So I say it omo chogu into groups I be bobo e wa ha na ebi so wa ha say ya omo bobo enya grokra. What I say enti nia esi e wa ha say 37 aha aya ayini nie so ho Kwame Nkrumah ayino enesi wo no won ntoma tete so what I say Kwame Nkrumah statue no
is Oma blocking road no say Oma Obia Emma demonstration air course for Nebusia. There was one gentleman be confront. There was one gentleman be as confronted Ralph. Emma Busia said demonstration more na blocking road no. Does this make any sense? Because the road leading to Texas Military Hospital, ambulance abekachiri, cars na abekachiri, obi di na de share eba hospital ma blocking no. Obi wu ade na mubenya. Ralph enko bi anuma sebe Ghana ma we be no se ba kopi wu na ayede.
Because of this, can you stop people Galamsey? You can you stop Galamsey? What get out? You to get out? Can you stop Galamsey? What are you doing? Are you for fuck me? What are you doing? What is this rubbish? What is the resource of this thing? What are you going to do?
Come on, Ghanaian. Come on, Ghanaian.
I know. No, you're wasting your time here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look, are you better than people? Look at the traffic. This is a hospital. This is a hospital. What do you mean? This is a hospital. I have to stop and leave my car and take a car and bring money here. What are you telling me? What sense does it make? What sense does it make? What sense does it make? What solution has it brought? People are dying. What are you doing? What are you making? Obi one eye there. And I'll making less sense. It doesn't make sense to me. Get traffic out. What I was saying will come at the gun. Bra. Go hospital. What's all come at the gun? Now why you charge that? No, make it come and relax. Make it come and relax. No, you are fucking money. What's it doing? What's it doing? What's nonsense. You can see the communicate that they are not happy. After the good on the ability for 7 hours, just because of foolish people are in the bush destroying our water bodies. How many years they do assassination? Less than 20-50 years. The best thing is until man foolish people.
Or can't me when Ralph Adrian. What I say? Waiting somehow Ralph a kind. Now Obakaya, NHS, Anna Ralph, according to what's in our prayer, Ama or call Rich Hospital, doctors find us for the way you money man. Obama man attention now here and tell Ralph Echo did the air hold now. After that, they didn't know. Anna mine now. Obakatia, brother demonstration, we answer Obiwa, then a benya free no. Say mine on neba. Ayare out in Eba hospital. A community room. Now mine in Eba yare. Out in Eba hospital. And because of delay now, Ralph. Any the tag air blocking road no any delay no. Neba ewo ye. Eti Ralph eye the day no. ɔno nso aba abɔntene abɛkeka n'adwen ɛde akyerɛ Ralph ɛsɛ de nipa gu no ɛno ana wotwa
ɛnɛ wo Ralph ɛnɛ wo wakɔ hospital ɛna wo kikem wo ye dede say they are not attending to you. Let me remind you, who can say ma okay Ghana form mo bebrebe nipa baku wu anaye den ana onipa no su wu anaye den now beka no ene de bedi wechi. You never had Ghana at heart. O Ghana at heart enka onko blocky hospital enim unim pefe say baby e de ma mo say mo ye demonstration ene ho na mo ye demonstration wo ye ma mo Christ the king echi wo. But all public view for your political motive. Enuti ana oba hospital anymore. Secondly, what the van say motion video ni here on my left hand side no. What the van be ebe block that no na early in the morning, very early in the morning. Ne eko. Very early in the morning ne eko. But mo the van ne be eba ho to and never block it no and then ma traffic near west in time me ba no me ba area no kakra after na bobe 10 11 day no 12 no that traffic na intense crazy me be confront you na wo kan wa dey me but me ba no na mo football you are not demonstrating match am ho na mo ball and the police were watching you guys. And notice that the following day, yeah, police for the towing car, about tow more car because no one person over block it quite any beam. Nurses omi nipa. O block it quite no. Nurses has to walk and doctors have to walk for a long distance. Doctor Arno Obano only any special a man of special clearance. On my woman no. Yes, sorry, I need the nurses for them. Yes, bad nuts womb. But I share Yensusu the way ye behave. Sabi, who cry, oh, yenny pay, or be a cow in bonnet, I do baby cry. Also reply we should appreciate our nurses. Yes, we are bad nuts, be one or two, be one. But we should appreciate them. And on the next May Juma, several months without pay. Or no, nurse no area. On to me, any free medical health care. Nurse ni the picture be bought TikTok. Nay say key for medical help. Bullshit. What a country is this? Uye nipa before political party. Ma political party no flag ni ndi we before Ghana flag no. Ghana flag is the highest. It's above all other flag in this country. It behave like a proper human being. Political party, as I say, sorry. Obi pe Roma, Obi pe Anglican, Obi pe Presby. But the most important to say, yes, some of mine. No. It's noise making now we know. And our political way now we now this distracting Ghanaians no. Men money dilute you. Because at the end of the day, you know, you achieve nothing. Young fashion called a dimpan here. We are on this earth for an agenda. It's rough. Change your ways. You are doing too much unnecessarily. Maybe I'll call at least say baby cry talk to them calmly. But say, what do you say street fights? It's a fight now, let me try, you know. You're boxing and you're street fight. How to handle your things. Neja Jimmy and wow. Fatu trim uye nipa. So ne superhuman. So him say ne Ubeko hospital at that time moment. Une superhuman. Uye nipa. Politicians also uye nipa. See, think like a human being. Maybe.
Ubet ma chere wadwe amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Background.